Project Showcase is a competition where people get to show off what they worked on all quarter.
It's time to show what you've built in your classes or in your free time or in your enterprise projects.
It's all kind of a learning experience.
Through this project, I've learned time management skills. Those have been greatly increased because this has been a 10-week project. So it's been mainly all on myself to kind of figure out what I need to do when I need to get it done.
Our project at 100 Contacts was to build an automated functional testing framework. And the idea being that the developers at 100 Contacts can just press a button and all of our tests will run, and it will let them know very quickly whether or not the changes they made are going to break anything important on the website.
Today's project is called Click, Translate, Learn. It's an application that allows you to learn a language while you're browsing the web on your day-to-day experiences. Really, Devin that really kind of came up with this idea. He brought it to me and I was like, we're doing this for Showcase, and this last 2 weeks we've probably been putting in like 8 to 9 hours a night, finishing this off and making it presentable for Showcase.
What we're presenting today is Dub Wars, and it's basically a game created by Mirror Interactive. I got to do a little bit of a lot of things. I did some effects. I got to help out a little bit with like building a new persistent system, and I also got to fix like a ton of bugs that were going on with the game. And it was pretty exciting to actually work on a game that was already there, to, like get into the code base and figure out what was going on and kind of improve on it.
I made my own cloud solution. I basically deliver virtual servers. So if a company needs to upgrade or maybe buy more hardware, they can use my service instead of paying all the money to have people set it up and wait for it and pay for the actual hardware.
We actually spun up Wikipedia on a Neo4j database that's running off of an Azure cloud database off of a VM, Neo4j virtual machine. One thing that I've learned is working in a team with databases is really important to be communicative and be on top of each other and really help each other out.
We're working with stuff that affects their bottom line, so there's a little bit of pressure, but it's a really good experience that's going to be valuable to all of us once we actually do enter the workforce.
I'm graduating in 6 days, and I'm really excited. I already have a job offer lined up in Chicago, so I'm going to be moving back home, and I have 2 other prospects that I'm looking at as well.
I'm going to graduate pretty soon, and I've already accepted an offer from Towers Watson, so that's where I'll be working.
I've learned so much Java. Like, I've seen the deepest corners of Java and like things that no one really knows about, and I know how to like exploit them and bring them alive.
Yeah, after being recommended to Neumont, I've been blown away by how all the teachers are, the projects, the relationships that I've made with many different friends and like-minded people. It's been really great.
Neumont is fast-paced, it's growing, and it's the future of education.
Yeah, I would say Neumont is the best school for a computer sciences program.